Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In this series, you are going to learn Microsoft Power Platforms. So Microsoft Power Platforms is one of the leading tool and which is low coding platform. That means you don't need to write single line of code. It is very easy and you can just drag and drop the available features and you can set the corresponding properties. So Microsoft platform has four major tools. One is Microsoft Power Automate, second one is Microsoft Power Apps, and third one is Power BI, and fourth one is Virtual Agents. So we will also cover SharePoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, Microsoft products as well. So let's get started. So let me go to the first tool. So Microsoft Power Apps is one of the tool in Microsoft Power Platform, which is powerful tool. We can create our own custom apps, which is low coding platform, and you don't need to write a code. You can drag and drop the screens, and you can set the properties, and you can create your own custom apps. So how .NET and Java developers is going to develop their own custom apps. In a similar way, you can easily develop your own custom app within 15 to 20 minutes. So there are three different apps available, that is Canvas app, model driven app, portal apps. By using these three features, we can create our own custom apps in Microsoft Power Apps. So in this series, I'm going to upload the videos from start to end. So we will cover the basic functionalities and advanced functionalities, real-time scenarios and projects. So if you are not familiar with the programming knowledge, you no need to worry. We are going to cover from basic level to advanced level. So learning a tool or technology with the help of videos is different, and working applications in a real-time scenarios or real-time projects is completely different. So in this series, I'm going to cover the basic concepts and how we can utilize the concepts effectively in real-time scenarios. That is our main goal and agenda. So I'm going to upload series of videos on Microsoft Power Apps, Power Platforms, and virtual agents, as well as other RPA tools, not only Power Platforms. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new series or videos. So once you subscribe, and if you click on playlist, you can see different playlist folder subfolders like UiPath. UiPath is one of the leading RPA tool, and Automation Anywhere A360 is one of the RPA leading tool. And here you can see Excel macros, advanced concepts. You can learn Excel macros, UiPath, Automation Anywhere A360, Power Apps, Power Cloud, Power Desktop, VB scripts, and you will also learn VP, Core AI, chatbots, and virtual agents as well. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified all these videos when I upload new series or videos on these things. So let's move to our agenda. So we have covered what is Power Apps. So next move to next tool, that is Power BI. So Power BI is one of the data analytic tool which we can represent the data in graphical representation. So Power BI is used to run reports on surface insights based on the company data. So which we can visualize the data and we can convert the unstructured data to structured data, and we can apply the formulas, and we can format the data, and we can represent the data in different graphical representations, you know which is very effective for the end user. We can visualize the data, then it will reflect the project overview and the outcomes and the growth of the process. Everything we can reflect in the graphical representation. So we are going to upload series of videos on Power BI as well. So please practice from your end. Only the prerequisite is your time. So if you spend some time to learn these videos, you are going to learn from start to end, like basic concepts, advanced concepts, and real-time scenarios, process as well. So let's move to the next topic, virtual agents. So by using Microsoft virtual agents, we can create our chatbots. So in the current industry, for to create a chatbots, they are using Core AI technology and Microsoft virtual agents. So by using these two technologies, we can create our own powerful chatbots. So chatbots is nothing but it is software computer programming, uh, which is simulate the human conversation. So let's suppose if you want to communicate with the robot, you can just enter your question, it will reply back to your question. So in real time scenarios, you can see on the banking websites or in Swiggy, Zomato also, you can see the robot chatbots. So they are going to reply your question. So Power BI virtual agents let you create a powerful chatbots that can answer questions posted by customers or the employees, end users and clients. Let's suppose if you post any question in your Swiggy app, then it is going to reply back, right? Reply to your question. So based on your entities, keywords, and all the stuff. So we are going to learn how to create a forms, menus, and how to train a bot, and how we can create our custom virtual agent chatbots. So we are going to learn each and every concepts on virtual agents. I'm going to upload series of videos on virtual agents as well. Let's move to next topic, that is power automate. So by using power automate, we can automate all the repetitive tasks. Okay, so we can save the time and efforts. So there are many several tools in the current industry and RPA, like automation anywhere, you have Blue Prism. These are all the different RPA tools. But Microsoft has a powerful automation tool, that is Microsoft Power Automate. So Microsoft Power Automate has two different tools again. One is Microsoft Power Automate Cloud, and second one is Power Automate Desktop. Cloud is mainly basically used to latest application that contains APIs, and Power Automate Desktop, you can automate different applications like PDF, XML, web application. You can include you can capture UI elements, and you can automate web and Windows applications. Everything you can automate using desktop. So let's get started. So today we are going to cover Microsoft Power Platforms overview, and we are going to learn each and every topic. So each and every topic and series, I am going to create a agenda and topics list and indexing, something like this. So in that indexing, so this is for Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So I'll mention all the topics what we are going to discuss in the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, like message box, variables, input box, clipboard, files, folders, UI automation, text, web automation, XML, CM, OCR, date time, error handling, real-time scenarios, commands, how to handle web automation, how to add UI elements, how to inspect element, how to create our own custom absolute path, the relative path, how we can utilize into, how to log the screenshots, and how to log the process flow, how to capture error handling, how to capture error description and line numbers. Everything we are going to cover each and every topic with the help of a real-time example. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. I'm going to share each and every topic with a separate folder in playlist. So there you can just navigate to the agenda, and then we are going to cover each and every topic. So let's see Microsoft Power Automate desktop UI. So this is now we are in a Microsoft Power Automate desktop homepage. So please try to download Microsoft Power Automate desktop, and please try to log in with your account. It does not matter whether it is a business account or your personal account. So you can log into the Microsoft Power Automate cloud, and once you log in, just you can click on new flow. So that's all for today, guys. So in the next video, we are going to cover each and every topic from the Microsoft Power Automate desktop. And similar way, we are also uploading series of videos on cloud and Power BI, virtual agents, Power Apps as well. Please let me know if you face any queries or issues while installing the Power Automate desktop, or if you face any issues, please let me know. I will try to make another video on installation path as well. And please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you, guys.